Okay, we have a LEBLOND-MAKINO 15 by 54 engine lathe, model 15-inch Regal servo shift, serial number 15C576. It's new in 1991. It has a 3-drawer chuck, steady rest, tool post, travel, also a 4-drawer chuck, 12-inch 4-drawer chuck as well. We're going to run it for you. Oh, and a faceplate tip. It's an L1 spindle nose. We're running right now at a low RPM, 45, at the very, very bottom of the range. You go from 45 up to 1800. Shifting, 95. Reverse. It's brakes. Shifting again. 220. All right, we're feeding, cross feed. Longitudinal. By the way, you can also see on the travel dial when he's counting. He's threading. He engaged the half nut. We'll back up and show that again. He disengaged the half nut. He's doing there, and then he got the thread dial indicator going, and then he's engaged, and boom. Now we're threading. You can also reverse the feed on the carriage. There you go. That's cross feed in the other direction, and longitudinal feed in the other direction. Tail stock. By the way, machine's 7.5 horsepower. Oh, that's true. It's got a taper turning attachment. Want to shoot that? It's also complete with the bracket. And let's take her up to one of the higher RPMs. How high is that? 900 RPM. And that's 900 RPM. Okay. And brake. Okay, so again, serial number 15C576, new in 1991, and thank you for watching our video.